Okay, now we're going to look at hydroelectric power. Hydro meaning water. So we're going to be looking at how energy from a river is used and transformed here to be used in this fan. The energy will be used to turn the fan to blow air. So we're going to be looking a lot at the conservation of energy and how we're going to grab energy from the river and transform it here so that we can use it, say, in your house or in an air conditioning somewhere to blow air. So we're starting in the river. In hydroelectric power, we're always in a river, and this is in a dam. So our dam, Mansfield Dam, is what has dammed up the Colorado River. So our Lake Travis is actually a river that has a dam on it. And inside that dam are these large turbines. And these turbines spin. The river flows through, it makes this spin. This is mechanical energy. And we know that mechanical energy is just the energy of moving objects. And in this case, it's the moving river that has mechanical energy. Now, this turbine is using some of that river energy to spin this. And when it spins this shaft, it actually spins some coils of wire inside of this generator. So we're taking the mechanical energy here and we're going to transform it right here in this generator into electrical energy, which is then compatible with our high wire poles. So we have mechanical energy spinning here. Inside this generator, there's a little bit of magic happens between magnets and electric wires. It's electromagnetism, and we're going to get into that a little bit more next unit. But when you take a magnet and you wrap copper wires around a magnet, you actually can produce an electric current. So we spin this around, and the electric current then gets put onto these power lines, these power poles. And these power poles, you know, go all over the place. So this is just a simplified drawing that's going to show how we harness the power line poles. We can connect them to a motor. There'd be a substation here that transfers this power to a lower voltage before it gets here, for those of you that know how this works. But we're just using a simplified drawing here. So we take the power off the grid, off the power lines, and now we're going to use some of it in this motor. Now the motor is kind of the opposite of the generator. This side is going to transform the electrical energy using the magnets and the wires, the copper wires and the magnets. It's going to transfer the electrical energy back into mechanical energy, which we started with over here. And now that mechanical energy is spinning the fan, which makes the air blow. So this is just one way that we one way to generate power is through rivers.